Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme Narzo 16 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. So click. Then pick the same options in both apps to set it up. I will go with Realme first. Tap on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. Now on an Android, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Now to close it, hit OK. And tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. You can finally click on Send at the bottom left corner of Realme and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Realme device, using all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. After picking all of your important data, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. To connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!